Hello, I'm Evan with WooNinjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about the 10 ways to document changes on a highly customized WordPress site.
After a decade of managing WordPress maintenance plans, one pattern keeps showing up. The most fragile sites aren't the most complex ones. They're the ones where changes happen quietly, without a record. So in this video, we're covering 10 practical ways to document changes on a highly customized WordPress site, so your team stays in control no matter what. Number 1, keep a structured changelog.
Let's start with the foundation, and that is a structured changelog. If you're working on a highly customized WordPress site, changes happen all the time. New features, bug fixes, UI tweaks, and without proper documentation, things will certainly get messy. A structured changelog is simply a well-organized file where you track every important update. Instead of random notes, you follow a consistent format where you group the changes under headings like added, changed, and fixed.
Number 2, use an activity log plugin.
Once more than one person touches a site, memory becomes unreliable. Tools like WP Activity Log or Simple History give you a time-stamped record of who changed what and when. This kind of log acts as a timeline of site activity, which makes it easy to trace changes, troubleshoot issues, and understand exactly how a highly customized WordPress site gets better over time.
Number 3, back up before every major change.
This sounds obvious, but it's often skipped. Label your backups clearly, something like before-theme-update-October 2025. This will allow you to find the right one fast if something goes wrong. So if you're on managed hosting, use the one-click backup before every update. Tools like Updraft Plus make this easy. With just one click, you can back up your database, plugins, themes, and uploads.
Number 4, use visual regression testing.
Tools like WP Boom or Percy capture screenshots before and after updates and compare them pixel by pixel. Small visual changes, a shifted button, broken spacing, get caught before your users notice them.
Number 5, always test on a staging site first.
Staging gives you a safe environment to review changes before they go live. For a highly customized site, this isn't optional, it's a requirement. WP Staging is an all-in-one backup and restore duplicator staging and migration plugin for WordPress.
Number 6, track plugin and theme updates like dependencies.
Record what was updated, when, and which versions were involved. It's a small habit that becomes critical the moment something breaks and you need a timeline. This is a perfect example of how to track plugin updates like real dependencies in WordPress. At the top, you can see a clear summary, 16 updates completed this month, including 15 plugins and 1 WordPress core update. Then we break it down into detailed logs. Each plugin update is documented with the exact version change from what version to what it was updated to. For example, Elementor, WooCommerce, LearnDash, every single update is tracked precisely.
Number 7, use Git for version control.
Once custom code enters the picture, manual tracking stops working. Git records every change, who made it, and why. A commit message like added custom checkout validation tells a complete story. When something breaks, Git stops the panic. You compare, roll back, and move forward. This screen shows Git version control in action. On the left, you can see a timeline of changes. Each update saved as a commit with a clear message and timestamp. In the center and right, you're looking at a side-by-side code comparison. Everything highlighted in red has been removed, everything in green has been added, so instead of guessing what changed, you can see the exact differences, line by line.
Number 8, use change tracking tools for full site visibility.
Tools like Stream or main WP surface file edits, setting changes and configuration shifts across your entire site, including things that wouldn't show up in a basic activity log. This is what full site visibility looks like with a change tracking tool. Every action on your WordPress site is logged automatically. Here you can see plugin updates, theme updates, and even file modifications. Each entry shows exactly what changed, when it happened, and who did it.
Number 9, centralize custom code in a site-specific plugin.
Custom logic does not belong in functions.php. Themes get updated, files get overwritten. When your WordPress site is heavily customized, scattering code across themes and plugins is a risk. A site-specific plugin solves this cleanly and permanently. Create a small dedicated plugin such as my-site-customizations.php and place all custom logic there. Behavior stays separate from presentation. Updates stay safe, intent stays visible.
And number 10, document database changes.
Code changes are visible, database changes are not. Anytime tables are created or modified, record it. What changed, when, and why. Without that context, debugging becomes archaeology. Common options include MySQL Workbench for visual schema tracking, DataGrip for inspecting database changes, and Flyway for version schema migrations.
None of these needs to be done all at once. Start small. Even a few consistent notes make a measurable difference. The goal is simple. When something breaks, and at some point something will, you want answers in minutes, not days. If you're managing a complex WordPress site and want a team that treats it like production infrastructure, check out WooNinjas WordPress maintenance plans. The link is in the description.
And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.